How do you value stock options during a divorce? Have you ever wondered how stock options are valued during a divorce? This can be a tricky topic, but understanding it is essential for a fair settlement. Stock options are a type of compensation that allows employees to purchase company stock at a predetermined price. If these options were granted while the couple was married, they are usually considered marital property. First, it is important to identify whether the stock options are marital or separate property. Options given during the marriage are typically treated as marital assets. However, options granted before the marriage or after separation are usually seen as separate property unless they reward work done during the marriage. Valuing stock options can be complex. The value is influenced by several factors, such as the grant date, the price at which the option can be exercised, the current stock price, the time left until the option expires, and the likelihood that the option will be exercised. Some options may not vest until after the divorce, which can add uncertainty to their value. To estimate the value of stock options, courts and financial professionals often use established methods. One common approach is the Black-Scholes model, which considers the various factors mentioned earlier. Alternatively, a simpler method may be used, such as calculating the intrinsic value. This is the difference between the current stock price and the strike price. However, this simpler method may not capture the full value if the option is not yet exercisable. It is essential for both parties to agree on the valuation method. Disagreements can lead to disputes, so clear communication is key. Additionally, all types of stock-based compensation should be included in the settlement. This includes restricted stock units, incentive stock options, and non-qualified stock options. Each type has different rules and tax consequences that can affect how they are divided. Once the stock options are valued, they can be divided in various ways. The non-employee spouse may receive a portion of the options themselves or be awarded a cash equivalent. Sometimes, the division is based on the proportion of the marriage during which the options were earned or vested. For couples navigating divorce, understanding how stock options are valued and divided is vital for a fair settlement. Consulting with financial and legal professionals can help address the unique challenges these assets present. This process ensures that both parties protect their interests and avoid misunderstandings about the division of stock-based compensation.